Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure secure storage with Flutter Secure Storage easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Flutter project in your preferred IDE. Next, add the Flutter Secure Storage package to your dependencies. You can do this by navigating to the pubspec.yaml file. Under the dependencies section, add the line flutter_secure_storage, 6.0.0. After saving the pubspec.yaml, run the command flutter pub-get in your terminal. Now, let's import the package into your Dart file. At the top of your Dart file, include the line import package flutter_secure_storage/flutter_secure_. Next, create an instance of Flutter Secure Storage. You can do this by declaring final storage equals Flutter Secure Storage. To store data securely, use the method write. For example, to save a value, write await storage.write key username value your username. Now, let's retrieve the stored data. Use the read method like this: string username equals await storage.read key username. To delete a value, you can use the delete method. For example, await storage.delete key username. You can also delete all data using the delete all method. Next, implement error handling to manage exceptions. Wrap your storage operations in a try-catch block. This will help you catch any errors that may occur. Finally, test your implementation in both iOS and Android environments. You can use the emulator or a real device for testing. Ensure everything works as expected and your data is stored securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.